Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi SQ2 tronic finished in the modern Nano Grey metallic paintwork. This 2020 model comes with a powerful petrol engine with 300 PS, Quattro 4-wheel drive and automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds. The top features include these striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 18-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle, including sharp SQ2 badging at the front and rear, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 355-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or big weekly food shop. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo for that extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large centre display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features 2 cup holders, a gear shifter, a MMI controller, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment containing a wireless phone charging pad and an additional USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.